Pressurized Click Roll, inspired by SLIZZER. For this sound, we start from the inward click roll position. After that, perform your inward click roll on your favorite side. It will help you to perform the next steps. Now, execute the previous step and pressure your click roll until you get a slamming effect. New sound unlocked. Time to freestyle.
Yep.